Hello, everyone. So, hope you're enjoying the weekend and the good weather. So, we move on to the last unit, Unit 3, and week 5. So, what are we doing this week? So, we move on to the topic, which is chapter 11 or Unit 11 in your book, but we will call it Unit 3, and it is all about DNA testing. Okay, so we're going to learn what is DNA and also listen to a lecture on DNA and do some activities related to that. So, what is it that you have to do before we meet on Monday for our Zoom class? So, as usual, you will go to uh, the first, trying to learn what it's about the topic. And this topic is from, different fields like biology, medicine, forensics, and pharmacy. So, what think about the topic, and it is on page, I think it is 114. I may be wrong. Let's see. No. Okay. Okay. It is actually, I will correct this page number, it is 102 in your book. And what you do is listen to this conversation and complete the questions on page 102. Okay, 114 is wrong, that's an ebook, but 102 is what you have in your book. So go to that page, listen to this conversation, and complete the questions, and then we will discuss it on Monday. Okay, then what I would like you to do is be familiar with the unit vocabulary, the words that you need to know for this unit. So what you can do is just go to the dictionary and try to learn the meaning, just to get an understanding, and then try to do this exercise on page, let's see here. So go here, and I would like you to listen to each of these sentences that I put it here, and it's on page 103, 104. That's the exercise I want you to do. So for exercise A, just write the meaning, the bold-faced word and its meaning. And for exercise B, I want you to write the complete sentence with the correct word that is given in that little square, the block. Okay, just pick the correct word and put it there. So please do this exercise before we meet on Monday. The rest of it we will do in class, and we will also be practicing some vocabulary, so it's important that you do the vocabulary assignment. And we will also be learning about word stress in a sentence, and then we will be listening to a very short lecture first on DNA, and then of course there'll be homework and so on. But before we meet on Monday, I would definitely like you to do the exercise on page 102 and then 103, 104. So you need to be familiar with the words because we will be doing an activity based on that. Okay, so I will see you next class.